Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you two diya ideas. So before any further delay, let's get started. Draw a flower shape on the cardboard and cut the piece. Draw another circle on the flower and cut this portion. Draw two more flowers using the same stencil and join them using glue. Cut few round shaped pieces and join them together and place it in the lower portion of the flower. It will give little height to the diya stand. Make a paste of white cement and water and apply it in the diyas. Now let it dry for at least 4 to 5 hours and then scrub the diya holders using sandpaper or cloth for a smooth surface. Apply any color of your choice and use acrylic colors. Now after drying, start making any design. Here I am using 3D outliner. This one is homemade 3D outliner and I am making some random designs here. You can also make 3D outliner at your home. Mix equal portion of baby powder and glue and any color of your choice and mix them together and your homemade 3D outliner will be ready. Draw an elephant shape in the cardboard and cut the piece. Cut some more pieces using the same stencil. At least cut 5 to 6 pieces and join them using glue. Now cut some round shaped cardboard pieces and join them together. It will be your diya holder and place it on the top of the elephant using hot glue. Apply white cement mixture and let it dry and then paint it using any color of your choice. Take a small cardboard piece and place the elephant on the cardboard using hot glue. देखो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं कभी ना कभी मैंने भी तो ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब देखे हैं कि हम दो आस पास सांस थमे और रात साथ बात करे क्यों ना रह लो ना अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा
Take any lace and wrap it around the lower cardboard base and around the diya holder for a more attractive look. So guys, if you like my videos, do give a thumbs up, and for more videos subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.